Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create API key in Google AI Studio. So as you can see, I'm actually logged in to my Google AI Studio account, and then I want you to come at the bottom left. You should actually see this option that says get API key. So I want you to click on that, and here you'll see all your API keys that you have generated, and you can go ahead and do this per project. You can create a new one as well. Just come at the top right, and I want you to click on create API key. And then you just go ahead and name your API key. So I'll just go ahead and leave it at that. Let's just add test there. You can choose an imported project if you want. You can go ahead and create a new project as well. I'll leave this one as the base 44. I'll then go ahead and click on create key, and then you'll have your key actually generated for you. And you just come here, click on copy API key, and then you can go ahead and paste it in anywhere you want. But that is how to create API key in Google AI Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.